Today's video I will talk about how much it is to rent an apartment in Dubai and what you can expect price wise, but also what you can expect for the facilities, because in this case I will talk about my previous apartment where I paid around 2,000 American dollars across the year. So this can go up to 2,500 in the, let's say, less hot summer months in December, and then it can go down in the very hot summer months in the normal European summer, let's say. But I do want to show you a bit what you get for this amount of money, because it is quite expensive, but you do get a lot of stuff for it, like obviously this whole pool area. There's also a gym area, which I will show here in a bit too. The only issue with these apartments is that they are quite small. That's the main issue. And in this case, it's also a one-bedroom apartment, whereas if you are alone, obviously a studio would be more efficient price-wise for you. But anyway, let's have a look here at the facilities. And one important thing here is also, obviously, this is a very expensive area. So this is downtown, close to the Burj Khalifa. I do have the Burj Khalifa view too. I'm quite high up in the building. I'm also facing the garden or the pool and not the street. And all of these things combined will raise the price a lot. And you can find cheaper, but this is also a serviced apartment, so that's also a big difference. You will find some big differences in price. Obviously, I don't have to worry about air conditioning or any of the other utilities that you have to normally pay for, so that's also a big difference. But yes, if you would rent it, you will get definitely some different prices. So let's jump into the room tour. Bye bye. So this is a typical apartment in Dubai for, let's say, around 2,000 euros a month, which is quite expensive, but these are the prices now. What you get, it is not too big, but you are very close to everything you need here. So it's actually for the prime location you're paying. So it's Business Bay, very close to downtown. So it is very nice. You have the balcony, you have everything you need, but you obviously need to make sure that your income is sufficient to get this, to be able to pay for this, because it is a lot of money. So welcome in Dubai. Today I will give you a room tour, or at least a studio tour. It's not really a studio, it's a one bedroom there, but I will give you a tour of this place, which I rent from a, let's say, serviced apartment website. I can also link it in the description below. But the main goal here today is to give you an idea what do you get for around 2,000 or 1,800, or sometimes even 2,300 to 500 euros a month. So that's a lot of money, but you will see today in this video what you get for it, and also a bit why it costs this much. So let's start here on the right. Actually, it is a pretty small bathroom, I must say. It's only one sink. Clearly this is made for, let's say, one person to live here, although you can perfectly fine live here with two people, but one sink is always a bit annoying. Obviously no bathtub in this one, but you do have, what you see here, you do have actually a nice little balcony, which is always nice to have. And that's also one of the key perks. It is a stone balcony, so it gives you a bit less light infall, but a bit more privacy. So that is a good thing actually. So a bathroom, I would not give a very good score, but yeah, let's see what we can do here. Let's zoom. Okay, and then here we have also a pretty nice kitchen, but as you can see, if you're cooking here and you don't want to let your living room start smelling, or especially the bedroom, you should for sure close this door. Anyway, we do have quite a lot, a very big fridge here, which is very nice, with some drinks, a very big freezer actually, and a pretty nice a place where you can put your dirt, so that's nice, a trash bag. And then here, if I zoom a bit, you have a small sink, then some places where you can do the drying and the washing. No washing machine, let's say, for the dishes, or a dishwasher not there, but we do have a washing machine here, which is pretty nice actually. This is very common rather in Dubai, but we don't have, let's say, a dryer, so everything will be dried outside there, which is actually, in the beginning I thought, okay, that's a bit annoying, but actually that's very common. And that's actually not at all annoying. So here you have a nice stove and a oven and a microwave. These things they gave us. Also, they even replaced this microwave that broke down halfway our stay. And then you have some things here which I actually need to clean a bit. Typical things, nothing special. You do get all your plates, which you can leave if you have a serviced apartment, of course. And then here you also get this nice TV. This is a pretty nice TV actually. It has everything you need. Meaning you can add a Chromecast to it. It has connection to the normal TV stations. I never watch any TV here in Dubai, obviously. This chair is mine. I need to take it back. Then a pretty nice couch, although I would have loved if it's maybe one with an extension would have been very lovely. That's for sure something I would have upgraded. This is also mine. Obviously, water is the way we drink here in Dubai is with this type of water. And then the main piece where you pay a bit more, I guess, here is the Burj Khalifa view. Actually, the view with also the, let's say, the video that it shows here. On the Burj Khalifa, they show like projections. So let's have a look here. It's a very nice balcony. It's a bit hot today, but you can see we have a nice view here. It is very calm. They are constructing something new here, like some kind of park, which is a very nice thing, but we do have a bit of construction. The main road is there, so we actually are blocked by this noise by these different buildings. And we do have a nice pool, if I zoom in there, which is a very nice pool, always in the sun. You can see a lot of people are sunning there and getting some tan. We do have also some outside gym area, and down there we also have the gym. So an amazing view, not loud at all, and also the amazing view here of the Burj Khalifa. So it is actually a very good one. We have this wall, so it gives a lot of privacy. That's actually nice. And we also have here a second section, which is also very nice. You have two parts. You can put actually a lot of stuff here. You can put your bed here. Like a couch, outside couch, which is very nice. We never did that. But as you can see, it's a very nice area. Amazing, actually. And then if we go back inside, if I zoom in again, we can actually see that we do have here the bedroom, not the bathroom, but the bedroom. As you can see, it gives you a bit more privacy if you want to be having the windows open, so that's a good thing. It's a bit messy here, but we do also get here this stuff from the serviced apartment. And again, if you were two people, you get some stuff, space to put your clothes, but this is not too big. And same here. For two people, it can get a bit small. But this is what you get, which is not too bad. Not too good either, but at least enough. And let me close the door here before it gets too hot. We do also have, obviously, air conditioning, which you can control on this side, which is on 24 now. So that works very nicely. You can put it automatic. Let it do its thing. It's very nice. So that's it.